Hey guys, welcome back to the Adobe Psd tutorial. Today I'm gonna make a color correction tutorial like how to make your photo more interesting. So let's get started. First off, you have to import your image. I already imported, and now go to basic setting. Here, go to exposure. You have to increase the exposure like 0.4. We have 0.4. 0.4 is enough. Now go to contrast. You have to increase the contrast like according to your photo, like 20. No, yeah, 20 is enough. And now go to the highlight. You have to decrease all the highlight for like 90 is enough. Go to shadow, increase little bit shadow like 20, and go to the white, increase the white also like 20, 25, yeah, 30, and decrease the two numbers of black like 5 numbers, and go to the clarity. Clarity like you have to increase the clarity like 70, 60k around 40. I think 40 is enough, and it has little bit increase, and vibrance little also increase like 10 to 50, not, yeah, 10 is enough. And saturation little decrease the saturation like, yeah, 10 is enough. Now go to the curve setting. Here is curve, and you have to make 3 points like here and here, and little bit down this point, and this one is also, and this is, and this is also down, this like increase this point a little bit, yeah, I think it's not a little bit up, yeah, this is good. Now go to the HCL and color settings here, and increase the red. Go to the red, increase the hue like 20, not 20, I think 13, 15 is 20, and 15 like around is enough, minus 15, minus 15. Go to the orange, and orange minus 20, and saturation little bit increase like plus 10, and luminance is little bit down, and go to the yellow. Decrease all the value of yellow like, yeah, minus 100, and increase the saturation like 10, 15, and luminance is 25 or 30. Go to the green, and decrease all the green value like 100. Saturation is little bit minus 10, minus 10. Luminance is also minus 7. Go to the aqua, minus, not minus, increase the hue value in aqua color 50, 51, and decrease the saturation and decrease the luminance also, and go to the blue and decrease the blue value like 50. 50 is enough, and increase the saturation like 40 is enough, and little bit increase the luminance. Right. Okay, go to the next point, like detail. Go to detail and increase the sharpening amount like 30, 40, 45 is enough, and radius is 1 is enough, and noise reduction little bit increase like 5, and detail 50. And go to the effect here, to the effect, and decrease the amount of like 50, and increase this amount 80, 85, something around, and roundness should be 70, and feather also 70, 80 around, and highlight on it to increase or decrease highlight, and we have to some brush, we have to some control. Take a brush, and here is the brush value. You can down the flow and feather like 100%, and size little bit, and brighter. Size तो बड़ा, this is good, and done. Now you can change some settings like calibration, like and primary green, like you can more saturated the photo, like yeah, 10 is enough, minus 10. So I think I'm done, and see how is this. I think is you can check some more settings, like you can tweak some more settings and make a more interesting your photo. So this photo done for me, and I'll see you in the next one. So take care.